Hello guys, this is Euronet ATM service. I'm recommend you not using this service in Portugal because they charge lot of money. For example, if you withdraw 50 euro, they will charge 4 euro 50 cents. Comparatively other ATM service, I will show you one. They don't charge any money. I don't know, it is only applicable for this, other countries bank card apart from Portugal. Maybe they don't charge anything on Portuguese bank card, but if you have other countries IBN of European Union, don't use this ATM card in Portugal. I'm gonna show you which one you can use and they don't charge any money. Just a moment. And this one is ATM Express. I have used this one as well. They don't cut or deduct any money. They don't take charges on you. So when you come, try using this ATM booth in Portugal. Do not use Euronet Express. It will be good for your money saving. I think this this video is good for you.